So guys, coin markets way down in the tank. So that's terrible, right? But that's okay because you got me. I'm out looking for the newest stuff. I'm finding some cool stuff like I did a few days ago with Lines and Elia. But today, I'm actually really excited about this project. I found Bitspace. It's really got some potential. Let's look at this. Okay, so Bitspace. You know, I'm not a big fan of coins that start with bit, especially Bitcoin blah and Bitcoin blah. It's kind of old, kind of boring. So this is not normally something I would look at, but these guys just made an announcement on March 19th. So less than 10 days ago, I thought, oh, here we go again, some goofy Bitcoin. And with the brand new coins, you never know. I mean, it's a brand new project. But what I've got to say is it's got potential. It's got me at least interested, and I'm throwing some cycles at it, and I'm getting some coins, and I like their communication style. Now, there's a lot left to be said. I don't know what the team is. I don't know how serious they are. I don't know exactly what they're doing different, but they are doing some things different, actually. Let me show you this. So the coin specifications, they're using proof of work, which is what we do when we mine, and then they're using proof of staking as well. So you keep the coins in the wallet, you keep a certain amount of coins in the wallet, you get paid for those coins that stay in the wallet. It helps the network, blah, blah, blah. They're using an algorithm called NIST-5, which is something I've never used before. It stands for the National Institute of Standards and Technology. I got a PDF here. It was, according to what I read really fast, it was some contest to find an algorithm that ran at low temperature, low electricity, and they came up with these 5 different algorithms to combine into this single algorithm, which makes it ASIC. It makes it ASIC resistant. It's just made for GPUs. Its name is Bitspace. Let me make sure I got this big enough for you guys. So every 60 seconds, it throws out 100 BSX based upon, you know, who finds the block. Apparently, at 450,000, they stop doing proof of work. Right now, if you look, we are at 79,000 is our block height. So we got a little ways to go. You got some time to mine, and then they're going to stop mining. Your proof of staking starts right away, 24 hours after you have got coins into your wallet. You can begin staking them, and they pay you 10% annual interest. So it's pretty awesome. So I mean, you just leave them in there, and you're going to get a 10% return of coins for just leaving them in there. Now that's 10% APR. So when you see it and you don't think, well, that's terrible, I only got that much. It's 10% APR. So you got to break that out over 365 days. You're not going to get a ton every single day, but over the year you'll get 10%. Minimum stake age is 24 hours, maximum stake age unlimited, blah, 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 blah. There's a fee, a minor fee, and they pre-mined 10%. So some of this stuff is jargon. I'm not really sure that they actually mean some of the things they're saying, but they've got some pretty cool ideas. They're using NIST-5. Take a peek at their website. I'll put it out here. You notice I'm mining the crap out of Raven coin right now, and because it's shooting through the roof. We talked about Raven coin a couple weeks ago, and it's doing really good. It's like one of the only things doing good on CoinMarketCap right now. So sadly, I had to stop my Bitspace mining because I was really enjoying it, to jump over back to Raven coin. I just got to get as many as I can. I mean, just a few as I can before it's all gone. But I've been doing it for about 2 days now, and I've got I've been able to mine 151 in 24 hours, which is my one single GPU, 6 gigabytes. And guys, it's really cool, and it's something you should take a peek at. So, like always with all my videos, I mine NVIDIA GPU and some CPUs. I'm also, this says, if you look at the website, it says it's only for GPUs and not for ASICs, and it does really good on my GPU. But I've also had some pretty good success. Some of the best success I've had, besides Myriad, this is some of the best success I've had on my CPU that I've just been playing around with. So, another plus. Anyway, CC miner, that's what I use, man, or CPU miner from the same guy. Go out and get it. Open up a batch file. Hash for Life seems to be the best site out there for mining these guys, So you fill out your CC miner 64, your algorithm's NIST 5, you put in your hash for life and your port number, and right in here you throw in your wallet address. So first thing you want to do is go get a wallet, open it up, get your wallet address, throw it in there, save it as a .bat, and then double click it and off it goes. Let me see, let me show you. Don't save because you'll screw me up. So yeah, let me move this out of the way. And yeah, you'll just get a batch file. You're gonna have some, it's gonna have some, what am I doing? It's gonna have gears, double click it, and starts running your application. So I use 224, it's a great one. There's a CPU miner, REL, it's multi-REL. I don't know what REL stands for. It's probably, maybe it could be real, I don't know. But if you need the CPU, ask me, I'll tell you where I get my CPU miner as well. And get going, man. Get going on this stuff. This thing is fun. It's cool. May have some serious long-lasting potential. I like Bitspace. I'm hoping they're the real deal and they do something fun and something different. I'm just locked up there. Do you see that? That's what happens when you get my age. Subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up. I want to say something else. I just can't think of what I wanted to say to you guys about a Bitspace. Give me a second. I don't know. I remember what it was. I wanted to show you my wallet. Whoa. Did I just get bigger? Sweet. Anyway, I wanted to show you the wallet. So you open your wallet up, guys. And down here in this area, you'll see a lock button. It won't be locked at first because you'll need to encrypt your wallet. You will definitely want to encrypt your wallet. Give it a password. Don't forget that password. Back up your wallet. Put it in multiple locations. Then come back in and unlock your wallet. When you go to unlock it, there will be a checkbox at the bottom that says unlock only for staking. That's what you want to click. You want to unlock it only for staking. And after 24 hours, once you start getting some coins, this will turn green and you'll hover over it and it will say after so many days you can expect some rewards. I think you get rewards earlier than that, but I'm not quite sure. I haven't gotten any rewards yet. I've only been doing this for 2 days. So again, subscribe, like, give me a comment. Let's talk. I appreciate it. Peace. =5.